In a startling incident over the weekend, ZANU-PF youths clashed violently during a meeting in Midlands province, underscoring the deepening factional battles within the ruling party. Sanapenda mashuka taona kuti aiwa vakomana po vakazvibhakera, vakomana vakagadha kwatinoona kuti nzvimbo yavo ina over mutanhove, vakomana vanokunzi they are mobilizing with the vision 2030. Remember, subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pamudani kwa sources within the party have confirmed that the altercation took place on Saturday as party affiliates and youth members faced off amid rising tensions. The discord comes at a time when ZANU-PF is grappling with a fierce internal struggle between two factions. One faction advocating for an extension of President Idi Naro's term of office, seeking to bypass the constitutional limits. On the other hand, another faction is fiercely resisting such maneuvers, further dividing the party. According to ZANU-PF sources, the violent clash occurred when party affiliates who hold influence outside the party's official structures engaged in physical confrontation with the members who are aligned with the party's established hierarchy. In quotes, ZANU-PF party structures are no longer supreme as affiliates. Members attack ZANU-PF Shurungi Youth Affairs, an insider revealed. A particularly intense moment was captured when a woman from Midlands, identified as Saru, reported shouted, "Tipe hembe yedu," holding one comrade, referencing the alleged chaos that gathering. Sources suggest that Saru, a driver of a local combi minibus in the constituents of Minister July Moyo, was involved in the skirmish. The situation escalated further, with observers calling for intervention from senior party members. Host Honorable John Clever Prats must read a riot act. Affiliates must respect party structures. The Operation Restore Legacy's Facebook page posted on Saturday, emphasizing the need for discipline and respect within the party. Domashwa took note that revolutionary party musikano kuti aiwa yaiva very powerful. Panguva inoi nekuda kuma factions vanhu vakuona apa mamvemve. Tiona at every gathering vakomana zvibhakera zviri kungobaka each and every time. Zvinhu izvi zviri kungopromisa something intense chaitika. Tudze mafundo enyu matikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kudai comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.